welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing another buy or buy. The product we are going to be testing out is Ardell's magnetic lashes. Now, if you're interested in how I applied these bad boys, I'm going to be inserting a clip in 3, 2, 1. Whoosh. Every freaking time trying to open these things, idiot proof. Annoying. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, I dropped a lash. No. This is so nerve-wracking. I am literally scared I'm gonna do this wrong. Okay, you got this. You got this. Ah, dropped it again. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm dropping stuff. Hold on, the logo. Okay, like that. Okay. I just don't want to mess this up. You were supposed to go on top.
That's what she said.
Okay, come on, get up there. Oh my gosh. Either I'm really nervous or this is just super hard. Calm down, calm down. Let me just read the directions. Maybe I got it wrong. Okay. Yes, I got it. Come on, focus. Focus. No! Son of a dishwasher. I worked so hard to try to get that first one on there. Okay, I got it. I got it. No, don't. No. There you go. No, come on. No. I got it. There we go. I got one on. Oh, for Pete's sakes. I'm really struggling here, and this is really like pissing me off. Come on. There we go. There we go. We got this. We got this. See, this is the part I don't have a problem with. The problem with is I'm trying to get it to not stick without it, like, I'm trying to get it to stick without it touching the other eyelash. Come on. Hopefully, like, once you get the hang of this, it'll be a lot easier than putting on regular lashes, but who knows? Who freaking knows? Get on there. Why are you being so stubborn? Okay, you gotta cooperate with me. You gotta work with me, sweetie. There we go. Okay, there we go. So before, okay, it's gonna look like this. Focus. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of work for one freaking eye. A lot of work for one eye. Shoot, we're gonna have a sweat here. Okay. This is the part that's a little tricky. Oh my gosh. I don't like that feeling. Maybe I did it wrong. There we go. Okay. I was doing it wrong the entire time. Okay, so it's supposed to look like this. I don't even know if you can see it. There, this is the difficult part. Yeah, let me move my hair out of the way. So it says to just put it close to the eyes and just close it. Okay, come on. Really? And I switched my eyeliner. Eh. Okay, I'm gonna do this until I get them on, I swear. This is getting a little bit ridiculous because I can't even freaking get it on. Yeah. There you go. Come on. I swear this is getting old fast. Seemed like a good idea, but it ain't. One more time. I keep saying freaking one more time and I keep doing it and doing it and doing it because I'm trying to see if this can work.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so let's get into the review part of this video. So the Ardell magnetic lashes, I am going to be starting off with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a good note. The cons of these bad boys was I had a hard time getting the lashes on the freaking applicator. As you saw in the previous clip, it was a pain. It took me so long to figure out how it went. Maybe it's because I don't know, maybe it's because I'm a little slow, or I don't know how to apply magnetic lashes. I don't know, but I had a really hard time adding the lashes to the applicator. I felt so stupid. I was just like, eh. Anyways, another con would have to be that they would not stick to my lashes. So once I got the lashes on the applicator, the next step was to get them close to your lashes and do like you would a curling iron. Not a curling iron, you don't want to do that. You would get the applicator close to your eye and like push them together, kind of like you're curling your lashes. And every time I would close it, the lashes would stick together, but they would not stay on my eyes. So that was really annoying. I did try that a few times and it would just, like I said, it would just stick together and it was so annoying. Another con would have to be, it's not easy like the book says. It says right here, easy to apply. It's not easy. As you saw in my previous clip, it was so hard. I kept getting frustrated and I'm like, no, I'm gonna get it, just calm down. But no, I'm a pretty patient person, but I could not get these things on. And also, there's another con I would have to give these guys. This is $13.99. That's $13.99. So round it up, $14. $14. I could have bought myself hot Cheetos instead of wasting it on these guys, because you only get one set. It's deceiving too, because you're thinking, oh, I'm getting 2 sets of lashes, right? You got one here, one here. No. One goes, let me show you. One lash goes on this side, the other lash goes on this side right here. So in reality, you only got one pair of lashes. So it's like, for $14.99, why am I only getting one pair of lashes? They better be some good lashes. But it wasn't. Tragic. Okay, let's move on to the pros. The pros of these guys is, it was a good idea. Like, honestly, like if you're thinking about it, it's a pretty cool idea. Your magnetic lashes, no glue. What? That's cool. Yeah, that's a cool idea to think about instead of without trying. And also another pro about this guy is it says it comes with a little applicator. I guess not all of them comes with an applicator, so I guess I was lucky. Maybe that's why it was $14. All in all, is this product a buy or buy? I'm going to have to say buy magnetic lash. You guys saw me struggling. Honestly, it should have not been that hard. You guys know I love my lashes. It takes me about 5 minutes to put lashes on, and that took me about I want to say like 15 to 20 minutes, and I only tried one eye. I didn't even try the other one, and I couldn't get it on. So that was pretty annoying. As you can tell, I'm a little frustrated because I really wanted to make it work, but unfortunately, buy magnetic lashes. Do not get your pennies and buy it. Say bye. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this buy or buy. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.